You know the drip drip? You know what I'm talking about? The drip drip. You open the door and it be raining and it's just like a waterfall that just comes down here. Well, that ain't happening to me right now because I got my head right there where the waterfall usually be happening, but it be staying nice and dry. And that's because I got the Jeep drip strip on. Here, let me show you what that looks like. All right, now let me explain to you what's going on here. This Jeep drip strip right here, it starts right here from your A-pillar market and goes straight down your windshield. And what it does is, as you can see, the water that comes off of this edge of the windshield here, comes off of the gutter system right here, gets caught right here in our Jeep drip strip. And guess what? That's why it ain't leaking from here. See that? There ain't not a drop coming down from here because we're directing that water straight down the A-pillar post and to the outside of the vehicle. All right, so let me just show you what we got going on here. This is the Jeep drip strip, and it starts right here at your A-pillar post. And it's just a gasket that I produced that has a double-sided tape on the back. So you just take off the release liner, and then you're gonna stick it right here to your A-pillar post and straight down the windshield line here. And yeah, that's about it. It just peel and stick. And now, I mean, it's just real simple. It's ain't like rocket science. It just, whatever comes off of the gutter here or comes off of the roof line there, it gets caught. And that works on soft tops and hard tops too. So ain't no big deal. Actually, someone asked me, how's it look when you take the freedom panels off? Well, maybe I'll show you that right now. Have a look-see at that. All right, now here's what it looks like with the top off. I got the freedom panels off right now. I just want you to understand really what's going on here and how effective this Jeep drip strip is. The water's going straight down the post, as you can see, and it just, I mean, here's the hose, here's the water, right? Let's pretend it's raining. I've got the top completely off right now, as you can see. And look how water just collects up in that drip strip. It just collects up in there, and that's what keeps it from dripping on to you. That's why it ain't dripping here, because that water rolls off your windshield into the rubber gutter, that system that we got going on here, and instead of it coming down here and just dripping all over you, guess what? Just goes straight down the line there. So somebody want to know what it looked like when the top is off, and to be honest with you, I mean, shoot, you don't even know it's not, you don't even know it's, I mean, you don't even know what's going on. It looks clean. And then I'll close the door here. Check it out. I mean, it just flows right into your door side seal here, right? So I made it the width of the door side seal, so this kind of lines up seamlessly, right? So water comes off of here, gets caught in there, boop, straight down. And then I guess the big question is, like, is the juice worth the squeeze? Should I even go ahead and get something like this? Well, for me, not having the wife go, oh my God, I ain't gonna have you get me soaking wet in the Jeep or this and that. Oh my God, you getting my Sunday best. I'm trying to go to church. Nah, that right there, the juice worth the squeeze for me. People love when I do the wife impersonation. Oh my God, Jeep drip strip, get the wife. Oh my God, I get back in your Jeep, because if I get back in your Jeep, I'm gonna get soaking wet. I'm trying to go to Sunday service. Well, now you can get nice and dry going to Sunday service, and baby girl, we're gonna be in the Jeep. You're welcome.